Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is TRX coin or TRON coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart, so let us draw the trend lines. You can see this is the support resistance trend line, and you can see after this candles came down to the support level. So you can see previously the candles went up, fall happened, and from here the candles are moving in a upward direction. Okay, and you can see currently the candles are moving in this channel pattern. So this is the support trend line. Okay, so you can see this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So previously you can see candles were moving in an upward direction, and then you can see the breakout happened, candles came down to support, and now you can see candles are moving in a upward direction. So candles may move in a until this resistance level, and if the breakout happens then candles may fall to the support level, and then from here again it may go up. So this resistance is around 0.36712, and from here if the breakout happens it may come down to the support level, which is around 0.28379. so you can see clearly the candles are moving in this channel pattern. Okay, and if there is a breakout happens from here, it may move towards this resistance level, which is around 0.48580, and in case if it doesn't give a breakout from here, it may fall to the support level, and if the breakout doesn't happen in upward direction towards this resistance level, then candles may come down to the support level, which is around 0.13734, and from here again the candles may start moving in a upward direction towards this resistance level. So currently you can see candles are moving in a upward direction. If you go to the weekly chart also, you can see continuously the candles are moving in a upward direction. Okay, so candles are moving in a upward direction, and if you can see that little sideways also it is moving now, and if it gives a breakout it may go to the resistance level, or it may fall to the support level. Okay, so you can see that little sideways also it is moving now in this uptrend channel pattern. If the breakout happens, it may move to this resistance level, or it will fall to the support level, and then from here it will start moving in a upward direction towards this resistance level. So you can see how these candles are moving, and now we'll talk about other important details about this cryptocurrency. Like you can see the current price is $0.3262 and it is up by 0.62%, and rank is around 8. Around 1 million users have fallen in this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $30 billion, and the volume in 24 hours is 694 million. Total supply is 94 billion, and circulating supply is 94 billion. Okay, so you can see there is little bit increase in 24 hours, and you can see that since it is moving in sideways, so candles are sometimes moving up and it is coming down. So like this it is moving, you can see that very clearly, and if there is a breakout happens it may go up. So if you go to the daily chart also, you can see that candles are moving in this channel pattern only. So currently it is falling continuously, and after it comes down to support level, it may move to this resistance level. So if you draw the trend line here, so you can see continuously the candles are moving in this downtrend channel pattern. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, and after the fall and breakout, the candles may move towards this resistance level. Okay, and always have a stop loss to prevent any major losses. Suppose you can see after this big fall, you can see the breakout happened, and after the breakout the retracement happened. If you have an open position here after the breakout, okay, and you should have a stop loss below this support trend line. Okay, so you can see if you have an open position here, you should have a stop loss here. So you can see if the price goes up, you make profit. If it reverses in case, then you can exit with the help of the stop loss. So stop loss is very, very important. Without stop loss, you should not enter any trade. Okay, so keep that in the mind. That's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.